Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, I'll be discussing about intraday stocks to trade tomorrow, and the date will be 26th July 2021. So let's get into the video. The first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow in Monday trading session is Godrej Consumer Product. Godrej Consumer Product, if you observe the price action in daily time frame, it is trading in this upward channel. Right? These are the support points. These are the resistance points. The current market price is at 980 level, and if you check the candle, if you check the 23rd July's candle, it is like an hammer or dragonfly kind of candle. If it was formed at the support point, it was very good for us, though it was in the resistance. We need to wait for the additional confirmation. The resistance point was this. Let me change the color to yellow. Okay, this was the minor resistance point which this stock is currently facing. Though the stock is in the perfect uptrend, so if you observe this consolidation phase, it is like an double bottom chart, right? Double bottom, a retest of this chart pattern, and it is going up. If you check the price action in 1 hour time frame, you will observe this in the, you will understand the logic perfectly. See, for the double bottom, these are the two support points, and this is the neckline, right? This was the neckline. Let me delete and redraw this. See, after reaching this level, giving breakout of this level, it has retested the same level. Almost it has retested the same level. 960 was the neckline. It has made a pullback till 962.60 level, and it is continuing its upward direction. So though the stock is trading in an upward channel, in the upward channel we found a double bottom at this point, and it has given, currently it has given breakout of the neckline, and it has retested the same level. So I am expecting a bullish momentum in this stock in the Monday trading session. So you are supposed to trade this stock on the buy side. So where you are supposed to enter? Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. See, this was the resistance point, right? The next resistance point. Resistance number 1, resistance number 2, resistance number 3. So where you are supposed to buy this stock? Listen carefully. See, this is the last bullish candle. This is the last bullish candle with a huge buy volume, right? After that, back to back we found a bearish candle. That is fine. So you are supposed to trade this stock. Initiate a buy trade at 984 level. Your stop loss should be low of this bullish candle, 977. Let's take the round number of 977. If you check the points, it is almost 7 points. So your target should be, your safe target should be 1 is to 2, that is 14 points away from this level. Which comes around 9, which comes almost at 1000 level. Let's take a round number of 998 is the, it should be your first take profit. If we find more buyers coming in the Monday's trading session, you can expect a target till this trend line, resistance trend line. Okay, in case of any gap down in the stock due to any global news or any kind of bearish news, in case of gap down, do wait for the price action and trade accordingly. The next stock is DLF. DLF, if you observe the price action in daily time frame, this was the previous resistance, resistance 1, resistance 2. Currently the stock is closed above this resistance point. Very good for the buyers, very good for the bullish traders, right? So as the stock was closed above this resistance level, it has to continue its upward direction. You can take this support too. So this previously this was a resistance, breakout, pullback almost at the same level, and it is continuing upward direction. If you check the candlesticks, which was which you, if you check the candle how it formed on 23rd July, it was a hammer candle, right? This was the hammer candle. Hammer candle, currently this hammer candle is formed at the support level. Previously it was resistance point. Currently it should take the, it has to take this as a support level. Though it has given the breakout, it will act as a support level, right? So very good for us. Resistance got broken, pullback, and we have a hammer candle right at the support. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. For the next resistance we have this 339. Okay, in tomorrow's trading session, 15 minutes chart, see we have an ascending triangle chart pattern too. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find the stock trading above 335 level, you can initiate a buy trade. Your stop loss should be at this level. Though we have a bullish hammer candle at this point, your stop loss should be at this level, and your entry point should be at 336 level. Your first target should be 339. In case if it gives breakout 339 level, you can expect another big momentum. Okay, let me clear all this and explain you in the 15 minutes chart itself. Ascending triangle, expecting a breakout of this, a small pullback with a good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate a buy trade. Your first take profit should be at this level, 338 339 level, and it gives breakout, you can expect another big boom. Okay, the next stock is United Breweries.